Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get Idle Heroes application on your smartphone. Idle Heroes remains a beloved idle RPG, captivating players with its expansive world, strategic gameplay, and ever-evolving content. In order to download and get Idle Heroes on your smartphone, first of all make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether you are using Android or iOS. Now open up Google Play Store as an Android user and your App Store as an iOS user. Go to the search bar and type in Idle Heroes and search. From the search result, look for this game from DH Games Limited. Now tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your device. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password in order to get the application downloaded. Now wait for a couple of minutes and once the application installed, open the app and launch the game on your smartphone. So that's how you can easily download and install Idle Heroes on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.